Back in the late 80s, if you were doing an electronic project, there were no maker kits from Intel or Raspberry Pis or whatever. You literally had to go and build everything yourself. This is my final year project when I was graduating as an electronic engineer in the electronic engineering department of University of Limerick, 1990. I designed and built and got working a remote Synoptic weather station and base station. And basically you had lots of different sensors for temperature, pressure, wind speed, wind direction. You had rainfall, the pH of the rainwater, and all sorts of other gadgets. And all the sensors connected through control logic with analog to digital converters, courtesy of Analog Devices. A UART would then connect in with a serial cable into the back of a PC. And the project itself was half hardware and half software, because I actually wrote in Borland's Turbo C, a complete software program from a PC that would control everything, store all the data, and display it on the screen in a graphical user interface. I'll always remember we had to show it to the faculty and get graded for our degree. And I remember everything was set up and it was all working, and the staff came in and one of the lecturers grabbed a temperature sensor and the temperature changed on the screen, and the eyebrows went up and he was like, oh wow. And then we started playing with the wind vane and the infrared emitters and all whatever. And they were baffled that the whole thing worked. But those were the days. Now, I don't have the software. I don't have the software running. I think this is a project backup of the software. But I don't have a 5 1/4 inch floppy, so I can't read it. Now, I've been good this year and I've asked Santa for a 5 1/4 inch floppy disk over Christmas. So hopefully I'll get one and we'll see if I can get the software back up and running. But this was our final year project and we built it in the labs. This is me with a great friend from college, Eamonn Gormley. That was taken, I think around May 1990, before we graduated, in one of the engineering labs, electronic engineering labs in University of Limerick. But, you know, thanks to the Irish Meteorological Service, they gave me some support, gave me some equipment, Analog Devices, gave me a lot of analog to digital converters, because I kept frying them, which was not good. But yeah, now when I finished up in Limerick, I took all this, put it in a box, and I haven't taken it out since. It could have been a startup. Missed that one, but a lot of memories. But hey, you know, I am an electronic engineer.